Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and here I am with a new lesson of the grade 2 Cambridge Oxford English. And as discussed so far, we have done the reading, we have discussed the meaning of the difficult words as well. Just a few words that were left was Rio de Janeiro. So they have Rio de Janeiro is a specific place in Brazil. It is the name of the place, so you have to remember as it is. There is no if you want to remember, there is no specific or easy meaning for it. And then we have over here is Portuguese. So Portuguese is a language that has been spoken in the Portugal. So it is maybe they are the mother tongue language. That's why they refer to speak Portuguese with their grandmother. So these two words were the one I wanted to share with you what's their meaning, and rest of the word that has been highlighted I already discussed in the video. And over here, yes, large fat black cat. Over here what I wanted to discuss is this is known as adjective. What is adjective? So adjective is something that describes the noun. Okay, so adjective refers to something that describes the noun. So when we are describing the noun, how we can describe it nicely is first of all, you have to explain their size. Okay, what is the size of the thing? So cat is a noun over here. Okay, so cat is what? Noun. Name of a place, animal or thing or person is known as noun. Okay, now large fat black cat is what is noun. Adjective. Why it is adjective? Because large, fat and black, it is describing the cat. So adjective is word that describes the noun. Large is the cat is large in size, it is fat and it is black. So whenever you are using the adjective, what is the procedure to use it? For example, when you want to use 3 to 4 adjectives, for example, beautiful cat, smart cat, it's only one adjective. Smart cat, beautiful cat, large cat, white fur cat. Okay, but when you want to use 3 to 4 adjectives together, you need to go by the process. You need to tell them first their size. So when it comes, the size is large. Then fat also comes in the terms of size, like the broad, thin, cute. Okay, then you have to describe the color. So large fat black cat, you cannot say black fat large cat, or you cannot say fat large black cat. You have to describe the size, then their diameter, then their specification. So it is large and fat and black. So I will discuss that in detail as well when we are doing the parts of speech, but it is important to know when we are using more than one adjective, how to use them. So large fat black cat. So this one was I wanted to focus over here, that's why I highlighted it. So over here, let's do some quick exercise. Circle and correct the answer of each question. Where was Roberto born? Rio de Janeiro. Just now we discussed they were born in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. What was the vovô tell Roberto to find? A tree, his sister, or a football? Yes, a tree. They asked to find a tree. So coming up next is find the clues in the story, how Roberto felt at the beginning and how he felt at the end of the story, and write them in the boxes. So how Roberto felt in the beginning, I already done for you at the beginning. Roberto felt what? Roberto felt lonely and sad because the boys in the park never asked him to play football. He wanted a friend and missed his grandmother in Brazil. He walked quickly through the park because he didn't want to see the boys playing without him. So this is how I describe the feeling of Roberto. But if you have the better answer or you want to try, please list down in the comment. I will happy to see them, and if there will be something wrong, I will correct it. It's not hard and fast rule that you have to still copy and paste this or remember this, but it can be any answer. So at the beginning, Roberto felt lonely and sad. The boys in park never asked him to play football. He wanted a friend and missed his grandmother in Brazil. He walked quickly through the park because he did not want to see the boys playing without him. So it was the beginning of the story. So beginning is start of the story. The end of the story is what? At the end, Roberto felt happy and included. So he was happy and included means the boys included them in the team. Fergus invited him to play football with the team. Roberto smiled and felt excited, okay, because he finally made the friends and could play the game he loved. So as far as you remember, in Brazil, he used to play the football, and what he said, he used to be a striker, right? Over here I usually praise striker. So similarly over here, Roberto felt very happy and felt included, and Fergus invited him to play football with the team. Roberto smiled and felt excited because he finally made friends and could play the game he loved. So this was about it, and anything else you guys want to know, just drop down in the comments. The word cloud we already saw, the jaguar, slanted striker, we have covered this in the words meaning vocabulary, but we are going to do the exercise C and A very soon. So for now, just remember this, and for beginning at the end, I will be waiting for your response in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye bye. So